Nandito kami sa Pampang. Hindi. Ayan, nagsundo ako ng aking alaga at ito ang aking nakita. Ayan, lipad-lipad na. Uy, lipad na.
A lot of fish there.
Yeah.
There.
Ayan, ang daming isda. Tingnan natin.
But why
yung
there is a
isda.
lot of fish?
Can you see me?
No, but I can see a lot of.
Ayan, maraming isda. Let's go. Okay, go. So, ayan guys, so ayan. Go, 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 go. Tara na guys. Ito maglalakad kami. Maglalakad tayo.